unboxing. Nice. Okay guys, what have we got here? Looks like a Bianchi. Just got it in. Price was reasonable. It's 55 centimeter, center to center. Looks like it's in really nice shape. I'm gonna make it nicer. It's 8-speed, old school, which I like. The bottom bracket feels fine. Clean off this shitty ass chain guard. Replace it with protective tape. Tape is wrapped backwards with the cheapest tape you can imagine. When you wrap it from the top down, it creates the leading edge such that when you put your hands on it, it catches every little bit of dirt. So it being white and wrapped backwards, it's going to look pretty terrible pretty quickly. So it was obviously done cheap and fast, which that's fine. But it's a really nice frame. I'm going to get rid of this bottle cage. I hate ugly bottle cages. It's going to be a nice looking bike when I'm done with it. That's a quick unboxing of it. We'll do a walk around when I'm done with the service.